Hello students, today we are going to verify the total surface area of a sphere with the help of an activity. To verify this activity, the material required are ball representing a spherical object, cardboards, glue, brush, scissors, compass, rubber, sharpener, ruler, cutter, pencils, pins, cardboards and thick sheet of paper. We know that total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. Let us begin the activity. A ball representing a spherical object. Can you find the radius of this ball? What we have to do is, we take two cardboard sheets and we place this ball in between of these two cardboard sheets in such a manner that the two cardboards are parallel to each other. So, the distance between these two cardboard pieces will represent the diameter of this sphere, and we know that the radius is equal to half the diameter. So, we are able to find the radius of this sphere. As we can see in this model, we have placed two cardboard pieces parallel to each other and in between is a sphere, and this is the scale. The distance between these two cardboard pieces, as we can see, is nothing but 7 centimeters. So, diameter is, let us denote it with D, is equal to 7 centimeters, and as I have told you before, that radius is equal to half of diameter, which is equal to 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Now what we have to do is, on the surface of the sphere, we have to choose any point and fix this boat pin. Say suppose here. As you can see this is a pin on any part of the sphere. Now with the help of this thin thread, we have to cover this sphere completely, as what we have to find out? The total surface area of a sphere. This I have made a knot. The extra portion I will cut it down with the help of a scissors. Say this. Now with the help of this glue, now I am going to wrap this thread all over the surface of this sphere, such a manner that no space is left uncovered. Now we are going to cover this ball. See, similarly we have to cover all this without any gap in between. As you can see, similarly we have to cover the surface of the sphere thoroughly, and one I have done for you. As you can see this, the ball is covered in this manner. Now what we have to take is, we take thick sheet of paper and paste it on a cardboard, and we, with the help of a compass, we open the compass up to 3.5 centimeter and draw 4 circles of this radius. So as you can see, this is 3.5 centimeter and we draw 4 circles of radius 3.5 centimeter each. Can you tell me why we are drawing 4 circles of radius 3.5 centimeter? As we have to find the total surface area of a sphere, which is equal to 4 pi r square. So 4 pi r square means 4 times the area of a circle of radius r. These are 4 circles of radius 3.5 centimeters. Now, as we have already covered this ball with the help of a thin thread, now what we have to do is, we unwind this thread and simultaneously start filling this thread in this region, in these all 4 regions. As you can see, This is my thread. Again, with the help of a glue, I'll fill this thread in one of the regions. Again, fill this thread in such a manner so that no space is left uncovered and there is no gap in between the threads. Again, with the help of this glue, similarly, you have to fill all these 4 circles. As you can see, I have already done one for you. As you can see, these 4 circles, and you see that the sphere, this whole thread is completely filled in these 4 regions. As you can see that the total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. That means this is a sphere and the surface of the sphere is equal to 4 times the area of one circle, which is equal to, as the radius of one circle is 3.5 centimeter. This verifies that the total surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square, where r is the radius of a sphere. Thank you.